day. Mondays are the worst, by the way. Until everybody gets their anxiety all saved up from the weekend and they dump it out on Monday, because my phone rings like there's no tomorrow. Every Monday. It's like clockwork. I built for another gentleman here a 12 pill. And he waited quite a long time for it, and then he decided he wanted to do something else. So I bought this box from him. This is the way I think about it in my mind. Anyhow, I am going to sell this thing because I don't want it. I don't need it. Not desired to have it. There's somebody out there, someplace, that's a fan of mine that has got to have this beautiful device, this beautiful creation, this one-off handmade BBI built amplifier. I should sell cars. Make more money. I'd work normal hours. No, this is more fun. So I had a little bit of fun on this box. It's fed by two pieces of, was this 8? Yeah, 2 pieces of 6. Power wires are brought in, tucked underneath, and then I bring them up through these 2 big large blocking toroids, one on each end. There's one down under here, underneath the standoff for the splitter. Now we got this solid copper rib that goes down the top. And this is actually float soldered. So I got the copper up, heated it up in an oven, brought it up to about 400 or 500 degrees, and then set it down on top this piece of phenolic and floated the solder down onto it. So this is actually all the way down the back side of this copper bar. It's soldered down. That helps carry the amperage evenly to both sides. But this is a 12 pill. All Toshibas, of course, matched. Same lot number, same gain numbers. And then I had a little bit of fun with it. I built this cute little standoff for it. And this thing sits up here, suspended up away from the board. And then I flowed the little mini input coax down, brought it down both sides. And then I brought a little wagon post wheel combiner on output. So I brought it together with a little bit of a doorknob, output tuning cap, 2 big electrolytics for better filtering, 4-pin mic jack. And by the way, pin 1, pin 2, you touch them together, amp turns on. I don't know, that's so tough for some people, but I get the question all the time, BBI, how do we turn the amp on? Take pin 1 and pin 2 of the mic jack and touch them together. Anywho, today, use 1000 watt slug-in PEP, 1000 watt slug-in average in the next meter over, and then of course the 5 watt slug-in reverse back from the Bird 10,000 watt demo load. Striker 955 with a Bird watt meter, which sits between the amplifier, the Striker, and then the Connex 3400. We're going to be working on about 14.5 volts today, and we're going to have some fun. We are going to have some fun. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to shut off the amp. And we got to demonstrate to everybody the ability to talk through the box. Well, I'm keyed. Oh, no, keyed. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. That's talking through the box. That's the RF coming out of the radio, coming down through the coax, coming in the input connector, going across the relay, coming across the shorting bar, and that's what this little capacitor is for, is to help balance out that. Because if you don't have a good reflect going through the box, through this little impedance bump, it can limit you in all kinds of ways. It can limit your receive, limit your ability to talk, and it's going to affect your radio when you try to talk barefoot. Yeah. It spits it out the output, goes across all 3 meters, goes out, goes down, and goes underneath the bench, and goes to the Bird 10,000 watt download. Flat. SWR is the point. Hello, audio. Let's turn this on. 80 watts of drive. Hello. Lays it over in a corner. Here's your input tune. Hello. 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 In the corner. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to go to 2x. So now full deflection is twice face value. So that is 2,000 watts over here on the 100 watts. So back here at 50, right there, it's going to be about 1,000 watts. Ready? Hello. Hello. So we're seeing 13, some change, 2,800, or 1,280, some change, with 80 watts of drive. The last time I checked, that's not half bad. I mean, it's Not half bad at all. Now, we are going to drive this up. We're going to drive this up with a little 1x2. Have ourselves a little bit more fun. Now we're going to come back, we're going to hit it with a Connex radio. The Connex Nut radio does great bird numbers. Rah! Okay. Turn this off, turn this little guy on. And so it makes sense to all the school kids that we play with. We're going to go back down to 1x scale, so it's reading face value, 1,000 watt slug. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. So we're going to swing peak power 610 watts into this box for drive. Take that, turn it back up to the 2x. Remember how we were doing 1200? Hello, audio. Okay, watch. Hello. Hit it so hard the needle bounced off the stop. We're going to put that down on 5x. So that's 1,000. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. Right? Watch this. Hello. Hello. Oh yeah, that was 3,900 watts out of a 12 pill on 14 volts. It's working good. Like I said, this box is for sale. The first one to call me with money in hand gets it. That's all there is to it. All right, let's hook up the Connex and we'll go from there. God, silly me. I go and put a 150 watt radio into a 1x2 and can't imagine why the freaking variable burned up. Okay, so now we're back on a bench 2 pill. We're going to use the Connex here. Let's reestablish our baseline. So we're going to go back down to 1x, okay? It's reading like 1,000 watt slug. I got the Connex, it does about 135 watts, going into two 2879s. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Anyhow, it's 500. Now we can see because the other amplifier hit this box harder. It hit it with about another 150 watts. We're going to see the output difference. We're going to go back to 5x. What I'm wanting to show is the bird power, okay? Which is that needle in the middle. We should see 1,000 plus, or 1,000, right around about 1,000, about 950 or so. Swinging forward. Remember, we're way under drive in this box. Hello. 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 You can easily achieve over 1,000 watts bird. No problem. Not a big enough amplifier. I really should be hitting this like a 4 pill. Good enough, point proven. Gentlemen, my name is BBI. And honestly, I don't get to be here and doing all this cool stuff without all of you guys. Come check us out, www.bbiamps.com. Come find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, or YouTube. Place that you're seeing this now. Boxes for sale, give me a call. I'll see you, gentlemen.